History tells us of men like John Huss and Thomas Wentworth who were given written promises of safety by kings, only to be betrayed and executed. Thomas Wentworth's final words were, "Put not your trust in princes. It is better to trust in the Lord." So this illustration reminds us of a powerful truth. Human promises fail, human strength fail, but Christ never fails. And this is exactly what Paul emphasizes in Philippians 3. Karon atong diskussan ko no kung unsa ang rejoicing in the Lord versus confidence in the flesh. So, Paul repeatedly commands believers to rejoice in the Lord. Ang question is, why is rejoicing in Christ the opposite of relying on human strength or achievements? Ang panelist 1 mag-explain siya sa biblical focus. Biblical focus, maingon ang panelist 1. In Philippians 3:1-3, Paul commands believers to rejoice in the Lord while warning them against confidence in the flesh. These two ideas cannot coexist. To rejoice in the Lord means to boast, glory, or find confidence in what Christ has done, not in what we have done. Paul uses strong language to make it clear that salvation based on human effort distorts the gospel. This idea is deeply rooted in the Old Testament. Psalm 34:2 says, "My soul shall make its boast in the Lord." Rejoicing is not just an emotion. It is a declaration of trust. When we rejoice in Christ, we admit that our righteousness, strength, and hope come from Him alone. Panelist 2,